Hello and welcome to Console Accessories, and on today's video we're going to be unboxing this. This is an Oculus Quest VR headset. Probably already knew that. This one is the 64GB version. Now, the reason I'm doing the unboxing now is I've had this on pre-order now for quite a few weeks, and it turned up this morning, and thank God, because I'm going to be in for a few weeks, so this is going to come in handy. And last Christmas 2019, when I was just starting up the channel, I had loads of requests to do Quest accessories. So that's what I'm going to try and do, because there are loads out there. There's loads on Amazon, there's loads on all different places that you can buy accessories for this. And as you can notice with the channel, we do PS4, Xbox, and quite a lot of Switch stuff, and I wanted to diversify. So we're gonna do some Quest accessories, and I think this is the state of the world at the moment. This is perfect, because what a perfect way to self-isolate than getting yourself immersed in the oasis. So, okay, without further ado, if you like this video, please stick a thumbs up, really appreciated. And if you're new, subscribe down here, and let's crack on with unboxing it, shall we? Okay. Very gently undoing that. And there, we'll just rip it off. Here we have it. It slides out. So many products. I mean, you can thank Apple for this. So many products have just beautiful boxes. It's all about the unboxing experience. And this bit here. So let's move this out of the way just so we can go around the. So this is the outer casing with the picture on the front. What it is on the top. Inside the box, you get the VR headset, the 2 touch controllers, AA battery, power adapter, eyeglass spacer, and charging cable. And then on the back there, a picture, and it just tells you a bit about it and a few of the games there. I'll be honest with you, the first one I'm going to be downloading is Beat Saber. I might go for a Vader Immortal and have a look at these other ones. I've played this on the PSVR, that's quite good. So, okay, so there's a bit about it. And then this is the main box. Okay, so we're lifting it up, and there we have it. There we go, there she is. This is all going to be the accessories. Okay, so again, just a lovely box. Look, that's just lovely, beautiful. I open that up, and then we've got our bits and bobs. So there's the face. Put that on there for the face. And then we have the plug. We have a whopping charging cable. I mean, that's got to be a good few meters, isn't it? That's a whopper. And then what else we got? What's in here? Oh, batteries, yeah, for the controllers. And then I will be reading all of that, no doubt, word for word, all of that. And then a quick reference guide. Tell you what about it. Okay, there's that little lot. Let's put all this back in. Nice. There's a couple of slots for the batteries there. It's great. Okay, and then the cable. Really pleased. That's really nice quality cable. C to C. If you're going to want to attach it to your computer, I know that you're going to need a normal USB to C to fit into that. Lovely. And here it is. So here's the headset itself. Sure, you've all seen the pictures of it. It's kind of material there, so it's a nice feel there, and then the plastic on the front. That's your felty version to adjust the straps, and then the straps here are kind of solid, but they're like rubbery to make it more comfortable. And then a bit of instructions on how to set it up. It's fine. And then that's for the adjustment tools and the volume. For your headphones, I'll be doing some videos on headphone accessories for this as well. I've got my eye on a few. Okay, so while we're here, let's see how much it weighs, okay, shall we? So just so your neck isn't under too much strain, let's put it on like that. So 585 grams. Okay, so that's a couple of Nintendo Switches you're attaching to your head. And then in here we have these beautiful things. These are your controllers. Really nice with a wrist strap there. You could take this bit off, and I've seen there's some kind of what called knuckle grips, some other accessories that we're going to go through on the channel that you attach in there, and they clip all the way around, so it kind of attaches to your knuckle, so it doesn't fall off, rather than just a wrist strap. So we'll see about them. And these seem very light, so let's weigh these. And we're going to need a battery in there as well. So 130 grams. Nothing. That's really light, isn't it? You're going to have no problem holding these. It's lovely. And there's the other one. Exactly the same. Tells you which one's which, left and right. Lovely. And then that's it. I'm going to be doing some storage case videos as well, because I know a lot of people just store it in here, which is fine, you can do, but it's quite a hefty package, and there's a really nice official case that are really nice that I've got my eye on, that I want to review on the channel. So I'm gonna get that as soon as I possibly can. Hopefully, I assume with the place's delivery. I got this from John Lewis, and it was £399 in the UK. They are in stock. As of this morning, Argos have them in stock. I'm not sure about John Lewis, because last night it said limited stock, so I'm assuming today it's out of stock. But I can probably appreciate that John Lewis is still going to be selling stuff out, and they're will be selling, but you're not going to be. It's going to be very difficult to get out of the shops to get one of these. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same for accessories. I should still be able to get them all delivered. And there's a lot of accessories on there that are relatively cheap. And like I was saying, if I'm going to be self-isolating, I'm going to want to be self-isolating with one of these bad boys. So, I was saying, in the coming days, in the coming weeks, we're going to be doing a few Oculus Quest accessory videos. So if you've got any mind, if you've got any you want me to have a look at, if you've got a Quest and you want me to have a look at some face shields or some headphones, some certain things, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get hold of one and do a video about it. Otherwise, I will just be putting out the videos every so often just for accessories for this, and then all the other ones. Okay, so that's the unboxing of which is an absolutely stunning Oculus Quest. Let me know if you've got one in the comments below. I'd love to know your experience with this, and what should I be doing it? What should I be loading onto the Quest? Let me know in the comments below. Again, thumbs up please, I really appreciate it. And if you're new, subscribe down here. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye bye.